Kaneda Dudashan Meghalaya, Benipjang so pai Pibro, Shakatukuam Dakajanmid, Shaban Pashki Kubarki Babnia, Guinea Pechik Matpakong San. Pentikna ka MEECL baka jingpen poi boarding ha ka jela kan long ka babiang penyang thamai palat hajar telik transformer kemi lenti baka boarding kan kambiang shu ha ka nikalir. Maham ka sarkar ya ki arshaka ki bakamai bean panjing shai ki nong kamai rapido halor ka kendon kamai arshaka ha ka jela. Menjur ke skul bak nehu ya ke syllabus FYUP na ke benta ke 7th but 8th semester kentu ke nehu su bentau ya ki kendon na ke benta ki postgraduate. But ai jingero umentri ke tanat yadari Urajnath Singh halor ke jinglong nong yalam bakhat arsnem jo umentri rang badu keri Narendra Modi. Mentang ini apa iswa syaki kubor na keleng kecela. Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kalakular ban pentikna baka jingsam boarding kan omthat haga jilla namar ka jingdon boarding kapaho. Chairman Ubedeiru Managing Director ka MEECL Sanjay Goyal ulayathu baka jingdon ka boarding ka biang but ongru ba daka jingwan ka ayom liur ka boarding kan kampaho shushu. Ula pentip ru baladap pendai hajar teli ki transformer hakeleng ki benta ke jela bat kampen biang ya ki jing sam boarding bat banyada na ka jing thut ka rukam sam. Habai day bat kapung yam ulai thu ba ka jing perking banya ki kali he na lor ka jing kingdom andang beteng khanang banyada na kinuk nu ki jingja bat ongru ba ka surak thamai menta ka badon harum kala long banya ki kali bat ki bus night super ki bami bat balej sha ISBT mauyong menta ki la pendon kam ya ka ni ka surak.
As of now there is no shortage of the power as far as our state is concerned. So we are taking up various activities in terms of upgradation of the infrastructure and we are taking all the localities into confidence when we are doing it, whether it is about the replacement of the wires, whether it is about adding new lines, whether it is about having additional transformers. We are putting in the entire state more than 2,000 additional transformers so that the supply is more reliable, it is more robust, as well as in many areas we have in the past have seen that the voltage issues are there. There's a complaints of low voltage, so we're trying to resolve all of that, and for that to set up these infrastructures, scheduled shutdowns are taken mostly during the daytime so that we can complete these works.
Katana transport kala maham bakam sha ikinong pinyat yaki arshaka baklem yo jingmenjur na ka sarkar bakin kamai. U commissioner but secretary Sanjay Goyal ulay tho baladep pinmi yaki jingbetha ki ba perkheng ban pinshitom yaki arshaka ki ba kamai bi an. Kani ka jingkren ka jongu kalami hadin baka kenhun kinong nya taxi kala penpau ya ka jing sokhya halor ka jingdon jang ki arshaka ki ba kamai offline da ka bakam baki kamai hapo ka jingkhmi ka rapido hanong ba Shillong. Katanat kalaong baka company kademan pentikna babaro ki arshaka kideban bianglut ya ki kot kisla kat kum kendon jangka bike aggregator and bike rental rules hashwa bakin kamai.
Also the rules are there. So we have come out with the rules. The bike aggregator rules are already there. Honorable Cabinet has already passed them. We have come out with the other category of rules which is called the rent a bike and rent a taxi rules, wherein people, most of the people who come from outside, especially the tourists, they want to ride the bike on their own or they want to drive the vehicle on their own. For that also the rules are there, and I will urge again people to take advantage of these rules which have been notified by the government rather than getting into, there could be an issue therein, there is a lack of awareness about these facilitation which the government has done. So I'll request all those entrepreneurs who want to get into this kind of business, kindly go to your nearest DTO office, get yourself registered, take a license and then operate.
Kinong kamai rapido mentakasngi kila lej banya kundu yaki he officer katana transport ha office trekam jong district transport officer halowa laishumer ban pan jingpen shai halor karai jong ka sarkar ha ka baya day bat ka jing kamai yaki arshaka ha ka jilla na kalyang katana transport kala banjur baki arshaka kin amla ban kamai klem de yo jingbit na ka sarkar bat penbiang yaki kot kisla ki bedon kam kinong kamai arshaka kila ong bala pentip yaki bayakani kamat la shimrai da ka sarkar kila benrap ru bakin ya peliu jingmut shwa paramaki bat ru ki bakamai offline haswa bakin rai ban sedang kamai biang kila ong ru baka jing kamai ling ba ka app kaya rap ya kinong leit nong wan kham tam habajur ka dheng kali hanong ba shalong
jingwan mi jongi mentangi iyo ke jing pensyani i jing sultanat ya ya keren badi syukur kabiang ya baik kakam de mentangi ni ya perkat de jing perkat ni kalong baik mentahi ini ya perkat syah para mengi ke jing kamai ini keren syah ini ya penbaik iki kendung derap ada gila long di babiang kate ngila kloy ban sekri biang mentahi bat ba office ki ong ban del ko number plate taxi fresh nagi ki ong baik kadai kata kadai jing oh ngim nuk pa ban penthot iki taksi Lasi kumba ong iki presiden badan burom jong ki driver lokal mau kum taksi association. Maki ki ong ba umdan safety. Dengan cuai jemut i lajudan yang bersenjaru bayap baki rapido. Pencaya ngi lada don kita. Lada kampak judan te long bapin ong kamdan ke safety kami ha. Di safety i kum kini us ki balas ki Islam ki badam. Judan untuk basa amal ki. Ubah cak peniap itu ki beliau. Ki beluti dia kata Islam ki belada besar peniap kuno malki. Dari dapat taksi beli, kumau uru badan kali siap peniam. Katu uru pindong no, kali kadon safety nama tapat tak. Kadon safety belah tahu kecingam, kawan ni kecingam. Jingkar pat jom ni kalong baik bah, ikwa baik kata ka permit ka bang ninyo baik direct na di ko. Tang ba mai ong ngimla, katang ya ban ya keren baka government. Te mentang ini rai ngin ngap kalong gumno karai boro kabang na kambiang. Desi ka don gani katai ka ba mi ka jingthot le singi ka bakamai online baki offline yo. Ini mesti jumut ka hi ngihaban ya kenduk lang syah bat ki bakamai offline ese maki ki kuat tak wei ngi kuat tak wei kamla
Kipulit kanong ba Shillong kila penlong ya ka jing tokit halor ka jing sha penjulor jong ka kali u Reverend Pastor McDonald Pengrop ubadai u pastor jong ka Balang Presbyterian Maukhar u belasai madan ru ya ki jing keno pendon kam bakla ya ka pisa jong ka Balang USP ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek's aim ula ong ba kipulit kidang wat ya ka daw tenrai la ka ni ka jingja ka dei tang ka jing thmu bantu la ni ka dei ka jing khuput ya u kumban syupun kan mau ka ni ka kali jong u pastor kala sha penjulor ha ka por badang penyang halau meli pelun kat ba udang lej jing sang ying kipulit kila ong ba ka jing tokit kala ya chakmat hadin balayo ya ka ejahar bala shimti da kipulit ka sadar police station na ka kipulit kalum ding jiri.
We got information that Pastor McDonald Pungrop's white Bolero, which was parked alongside the road at Coimdor, was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken, and for that he has filed an FIR at Lumidri, and the same was treated as a zero FIR and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar Police Station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives.
Ka Academic Council jong ka school ba North Eastern Hill University kala menjur ya ka syllabus na ka benta ka semester bahnyo bat ba pra jong ka 4-year undergraduate program lani ka FYUP kat kum ka kendon jong ka NEP bat u General Secretary ka Nehusu usamla Martin Wajri ula ong ba ka union kala kentu ya ka council bakan thau ya ka committee ka ban penkre ya ki kendon na ka benta ban pentre kam ya ka postgraduate program ka bashisnam khnang ba kan omdon ka jing slam ha ka jing tab admission. President kan nihuta Professor Lakon Kama ula pentikna ba ya baro ki syllabus ladak ban pediang bat pensya ya ki samla puli ki bajiet ban beteng ya ka fourth year Henry ki bamla ban pendep kin yo ya ka sernot ba ki la pendep ya ka degree ka balai snem.
Eligible. I think there are a few resolutions that we have taken. One, of course, is we have prepared the syllabus for all 7 and 8 semester UG program. Now there is no department left out. All syllabus for 4-year program is ready. It has been passed in this academic council. Number 2, of course, there has been a very clear indication that we have no issue whatsoever with the students who may move to 4th year, and this doesn't happen to qualify the 4th year. They will still be eligible to get their 3 years degree. So there will be no loss as far as the student is concerned, because they may drop out in the 4th year because of whatever reason. They are still eligible to get their 3-year major program, undergraduate program. That is one. The third, of course, is very important, where we have said that we will convey to the college that university is in the process of preparation of this transition from 4th year to 1-year PG program. As of now, we have only 2-year PG program. We have constituted, we will constitute a committee to look into this transition from 4th year to 1-year master degree program. It will take some time. Hopefully by say July, August 2027, we should be able to come out with the rules and regulation governing this swift transition from 4th year FIUP to the 4-year FIUP to the 4-year program to the 1-year master degree program.
USB ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivex aim uloong ba anda layo pediang ya ka kaipot jang ka postmortem bat ka kaipot na ka forensic ki pulit kila ban modoi persya ya ka anticipatory bail lani ka jing ai jamen lupa ya ki khandai ngot ki brio halor ka jing yam jang utropimus khong mau lo bat uba Vivek ulai thu ba la pendep ya ka postmortem ha ka khat pratrik ujemang ha ka jaka bala tep yu hadin bala klong ya ka met ha ka snong penter ha ka ni ka jingja la kno ba utropimus ula sha bom sha atit hapo ka yeng dor ba snong hashwa bu un khlat la penlong ya ka jing to ket hadin bala pau perthei ka durki ka bapin i ya ka jing sha bom jong u ha ka ba ki pulit kila register da ka 0 FIR.
After the exhumation, that postmortem was done on the spot, but we have not got a postmortem report, and we will be able to get a clear picture only after we get the postmortem report and the other forensic reports. At this juncture, I cannot say anything until we get the postmortem report. We will be able to say whether it was due to assault by the VDP members or whether it was caused by other reasons. Like I said earlier, we will challenge the anticipatory bail after we get the postmortem report.
U kertong kaseng National People's Party u banyakun haka election shiteng samai u Dr. DRL Nonglaj ula penlong ya kajingalang patba hayeng dorba chiliang raj hajowai lasan ran lang ya u Dr. Nonglaj dakinong ya lam bahakamat kaseng NPP ki bakuntup ya u menteri katanat kakot kakya u ba wailat miki shella haba ai jingkran sheki patba u Dr. Nonglaj ula penpau ya kajingdon kam ban yo jing itu ya kakitin Khasi hapo kariti sensha jong kari bat ongru ba UMP uban syajit thamai udon kamban ra ya kanikamat hayeng dorbar parlimen ulapan pau ba uyang kum ukertong nakadaw ba ukwa ban syakri ya ki patba bat banjuri kimat ba kongsan kum ka puli puthi ka jinglai lot ha ka niam bat ka jing song songsuk songsan ha ka imlang salang ula kentu ya ki patba bakin a ya ka jing kershan rat ba ya ka seng ha ka ni ka election banwan
kami dalam kanogre jawab lagi ngamile persa ini lo hamre ngasih bet nak kita apa ngamile persa ini lo hamre ngasih bet nak kita terbaik apa gakwa bangin weno yang kita isi bang weno yang kita kensol kaji pergi kaji kita Hadrai, bantrekam, babangkren, dan kejing jajai, banta kejing iye, yang kita beriyo. Ladang iye, yang para macam ini para beriyo, kumno milah orang iye, yang kejal beriyo. Bangaladesh kano kajingan tuan kajingan patna hanya semen kita ada lese bom yang biar nak kajingan beri bertian ke pilih dengan negara ikan terjang siapa no.
Ka BJP Meghalaya lingba unong ai ktin jongka uba M Kharkrang kalakentu ya ka sarkar jilla bakan kampenjen sur ya ki kendon ha bakot tender na ka benta banyo pentre ya ki project bahe hapo ka public health engineering khnang baki kontraktor ki bade ki trai muluk kinyo banishim benta habakan tho halor ka jing ai pentre ya ki project ka PHE ka ba shongdor khat khandai spa kalor tingka shaka company ka banabar ulo ong ba ka jing perking ya ki kendon kala khang lat ya ki kontraktor trai muluk uba Kharkrang ula kentu ban pen bet thama ya ki kendon khot tender bat ban phya ya ki project ki bahe shaki benta baret khnang ba ki kontraktor ki bade ki trai muluk kinyo ya kalat ban thap bat ban weng ya ki jing e jong ka jing kurdu kam ha ka jala
contracted to the local contract. If we give to contractors from outside, I mean, it's natural that money will not stay here. So which means whatever money that has been pumped in by the central government, then it leaves the state. Ultimately, it leaves the state. You see, so by giving the contract works to the local contractors who can manage it, that money will circulate within the state. And that is how the economy of the state also will grow. Now, if you're not, if all the money is taken out from the state, then whatever capital investment you have in the state also, it's meaningless. It's meaningless. You see that asset, but that money which has been utilized there, that will not stay here, that will leave the state. I'm not talking per se only this PHE contract, but I guess all other contracts also. You see, we have an unemployment crisis in our state, and many of our young people have started.
Urang ba asnong kasnong yong kalu kabadon ha East Giant Hills uba bi Dakar ulapan pau ya ka jingher arsut jong kayo kakot hadin ba ka National Green Tribunal kalakhang ti doyong ha usnam 8,000 khatsaw habayakran bat ka DD News Meghalaya uni urang ba ulaong ba ka kamay kaji ka puliputhi ki kam ki jam bat ka khayi pateng kala syak ta jor nadu balakhang ya doyong ulay thu babun na kinong shnong kila hab ban bala shabar ka district bat kila hab ban ma jing e kum ka jing slam ban yo bainong bat katu ka ni na ki long yeng kila sham jing e watang man pha school yala ki khun bat ban wat ya kilat jing sumaru uba Dakar ula kentu ya ka sarkar bakan khmi halor kani ka jing e da ka boong bakinong shnong ki kermen baka sarkar kan play ya kilat ki lenti bakin yo alat biang banti ya udoyong
tena kaliang yung i kam giru pa ba yung ka isentia sa komeni wa hawa em kini ki association ki walai chakman te ina liang yung i kerchane ki yuluti lang ba kasing ya luti yung ki ulai luti ki sa ki bentaw per khamtam kerpat iya ki bahalor yung i ki wapat kuman bay man pa yung gajala yung i khamtam ya government Meghalaya apo jing alam chief minister wa emburam yuluti lang ba yung ki kila tarai mem kwa gi utngan upat gi wacha tngan ki khon yung gi isintia mem yusuk ki upat wa lado stom gi khon myo bisa ki bagi pa lalbo hospital o yap ki khon hayung te kamsem yung chief minister
kasang jong kinong ris nyang badang shuthaw thamai kabala tip kum ka Piggery Farmers Federation kala pha da ka dorkhas sha ka sarkar bandawa bade ban map e ya karam bala shim da kinong rep hapo ka Piggery Mission hadien bakilamat ya ka jingdu nong ka bakraw na ka jingwan lin shop jong ka klam African swine fever lani ka ASF bat ka jinghyar jong ka yo ka han ha ka dorkhas bala pha sha ulat ka jala o mentri rangba ka jala bat sha o mentri papet ya ka tanat animal husbandry ka Federation kala banjor banakadaw ka jingwan lin shop jong ka klam African swine flu baro ki jingri kila yaplot hakaleng ka jala kala dawaru man pensange ya ka jingkhati ya ka ram ka jingsiu bailot ksan bat man perking ya ka jingpenpoy ya kisnyang shodo na shabar jala shu kala kentu baka sarkar kan thaw ya ka bai Meghalaya pok policy nang bakan yarap ya kinong rep na ka jala
from our Federation side, we submitted letter and demand government to take care of this African swine flu. We're still going on at the moment also. Many of the pigs now in Riboy also they're still suffering of this African swine flu. And the debt trap. And the other things like that, one thing that we're suffering as a farmer is this one, the unregulated market influx. Due to the influx of pigs from Assam, which are brought from Punjab and many parts of India, and many pigs were coming from outside the state, they are competing in the market with the local pigs. But the local pigs would happen for us, the locals, it used to take for us up to 1.5 years or so to raise one pig till it reached the market stage. But what happened, these pigs coming from outside, it'll take for them just 4 to 5 months, sometimes 4 also, 4 or 5 months, even 6 also, for them to reach that marketable stage. So the problem here with us, we are not able to compete with the pigs coming from outside. So we demanded government, we demanded the government that. So this problem is causing a problem to the farmers. So from our side as federation,
Katanat ka kot ka kya jang ka Riboy district kalakentu ya kinong shong bakin long ki bahusiar hadin ka jingyo kai pot halor ka jing sapriang ya ka jing pang nyang persit hakathan. Ka district surveillance officer ka Dr. Alisha J.S. Emli kalaong balami ya ki balapenmi ya ki jing pen benapat ba hadin bakila yoi ya ka ni ka jing pang bakalanang kiu. Kala pentip baki don katu ka ni ki kena ki blayo ya ka ni ka jing pang bakala banjur bakade tang kajing ai tika kabala banyada na kani kajing pang katanat kala kerpat ya kikime kikpa bakin kmi bnia ya laki khun ladaki don ya kadak kashin kum kajing khishit kajing jirho bat kajing atsaw kasni do bat ban lej ban pen imar mar shaki doktor ban bu marwe ya iklung badon ya kani kajing pang banyada na kajing sapriang
ni hakabay bat kani ka kajing purstat jangan ni kajing pang nyang perset ke bangi i hakilat patai kubon ki bakubon Bangladesh hadu menen kesni absan terek dari pit haki kubon yin i ba kumba sanspa tam ki belayap dah ni kajing pang nyang perset Bangladesh bat kumbahan 1000 tam ki ba layo ya kani kajing pang kani kajing pang kumnu kasdang kidak kishin ki jongka ki long ningkong itu ibrir di kena ila banyo kajing shed ke bajul dengan poi hadok si spa lai kajing shed nalor kata gila ban mi sa kita ki rush mo ki basau ki gila ban sa ki spots mo ki belong sau haka met ke jongki ningkong ki sedang syaga haka dur kmat syadien jong ke ni ke score gila ban split syagi kiti bat ka hiar pat syagi kijat ti bat berok koi ka met hi ke gila ban ia ta ki rush la kala kamjur ti nalor kata gila ban don ke jingjir ho kila bandan ke jing sau ki khmat ke jing mi ummat kala bandan ke jing sut ke skor kala ru ban khamjus ke pneumonia la da ka wan ka khamjur kala ban poi ke pneumonia ka kata ya kitor kala ban khamjur shu ya ka khmat kila ban matla ru ki ni ki bayo ya ke jing pang bat la da ka kata ya ka jabien kala ban poi ka ta ka encephalitis haba ka jabien ka siep bat ka kanang jur mo bat ka lada ka kamjur shu kala ya ban yalam lu sha ka jingyap
Ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District mentakasni kala lej banya kundu ya Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy u Abhilash Baranwal banya peleu jingmut halor ki kampen roy ha ka district ka seng kala ai jingero ya ki board district halor ka jingpen urlong ya ki babun ki project pen roy ki bala angnut la slam kunthop ya ki street light ki jingking ya ki jat bat ki we ki kampen roy ki nong elam ka KSU ki lapen pau ya ka jing so kemen halor kajing ya chakamat ki kampen roy bat kila ai buram ya kajing shim kya jong udisi bat pun urlong ya ki jing don kam upat ba ha kani kasni la kaseng kala pun ko buram ru ya udisi mentangin ya pai shaki kubor na kaleng kathan chatela mingi Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula penpau ya ke jing ai khuble ya Menteri Rangba ke Bhutan sharing topge ba ula wan jingo ya ke nong ba Guwahati bat ong ba kani ke jing dei kan pen klan chu shu ya ke jing te lok hapdeng ke Assam bat ke Bhutan. Ha kani ke jing wan jingo u topge ula ya kendu ya ulat ke jela u Lakshman Prasad Acharya bat ya Menteri Rangba ke Assam Sarma bat pentikna bakan ai ke jing trelang haki benta baper. Menteri Rangba ke Bhutan ula le jingo ru ya ka Kamakhya Temple bat penlong jing duai na ka benta banyo jing kurku. Ki he sarkar ki laong balakmi lenti ba kani ka jingwan jong u sha Assam kan kentiu ya ka jing penpau ba markelyang ya ka kolshor ka jing trelang ha ka than bat ka jing te lok ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot hapdeng kini ki arliang mamla. Mentang ini apa syaki kubor na kelengkeri. Kajinglong nong yalam jong Menteri Rangba do keri Narendra Modi kala dap khat ar snem minta ba ula shim smai haka ar pun riu terik ujemang ar hajar khat saw. Menteri Katanat Edari Rajnath Singh ula ong bakane ka jing sinchar ka de kapor ka bon ra ya ki jing kala haka jing ya lenti jong keri India na ka benta ka roi kapar. Haka rinsan social media using ula penpau ya ka jing seiso jong keri haka liang ka yo ka kot ki kor digital ki kam jingte ki kam yadari bat ka atma nirbhar bharat shu ula ong ba ka jing thmu jong UPM Modi lingba sabka sath sabka vikas sabka vishwas kala pen khlan shu ya ka roi ka par ka bakan thup lang ya baro. Ka Presiden Keri ka Draupadi Murmu kala penkup buram da ka khusnam Padma na ka benta usnam 8,000 riu syaki Hindu punru ngut ki brio ki bla ai ka jing syakri ya ka imlang salang ha ka program civil investiture ceremony ka beningkong ka bala penlong ha Rashtrapati Bhavan hinin kasngi ki khusnam ki bala sam ha ka ni kasngi ki kenthop ya artali ki Padma Vibhushan Hindu tali ki Padma Bhushan bat sanpu pratali ki Padma Shri. Uting shop bapau nam ka Bollywood u Dharmendra Singh Dewal bala khlat no ula sha penkup buram da ka khusnam Padma Vibhushan ha ka ba ka kurum jong u ka betairu ka MP ka Hema Malini kala lej manishim ya ka ni ka khusnam unang tem violent bapau nam u N Rajam ru ula yo ban pediang ya ka khusnam Padma Vibhushan bat ki bala yo pediang ya ka khusnam Padma Shri kinthop ya ka captain ka kunhun ya le kai cricket India ki kinthe ka Harmanpreet Kaur bat uriu age Maryang na ka liang na ka jaka Meghalaya uba Heliwar na lor ki bepat kani ka khusnam ka long ban ai buram ya ka jingtre ka jongki ha ki liang bapher ki bakunthop ya ka art ka kam sinchar khadar ka kam ya le kai ka science bat ka kam shakri ya ka emlang salang. Ka jingyalang quad foreign ministers kala kutno ha New Delhi ha ka ba Menteri Katanat Kambari u Dr. S.J. Shankar ula penyat ya ka jingyalang. Ha ka ni ka jingyalang lawan menishim benta da ki Menteri Kambari na kari Australia, Japan but United States. U Dr. J. Shankar ula ong ba ka ni ka jingyalang kan pen klan shu ya ka jingyaterelang ha pedeng kiri Indo-Pacific da ka ba pelet jingmut ha ki kam yada ha duriau banya kun persya ki kam leeno ki kam ai jingerap but ki company so hakitan shu ula banjaru bagan penklan ya kajing trelang hapdeng kiri sinchar patba bat weng ya kijing e hakaperthai bat hakatan
that Minister Jaishankar made. Understandably, much of the discussions and indeed the bilateral exchanges were devoted to the current state of the world. Being Quad, we naturally focused on issues of particular relevance to the Indo-Pacific. Because we are four maritime democracies located at different ends of the Indo-Pacific, the exchange of perspectives was an exercise of considerable value. The maritime domain has seen a steady expansion of collaboration, including surveillance and domain awareness.
Menteri Ketenat Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal ula penlong ya kejingelang bat Menteri Rang Bado ke Canada Makani haringkat kejingedon lang kiwe ki menteri ban penklan ya kejingete ha kaliang kayo kakot ha pedeng kini ki ari ha kejingekren la pelet jingmut halor ka Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement lane ka CEPA ban penklan ya ka khayi pateng bat kejingetre lang ha kaliang karep karyang ki kampen mi jingbam bat kiwe ha kajuk kapor Goyal ula penlong ru ya kejinga keren bat Menteri Ketenat Khayi Peteng ke Canada Maninder Sidhu baro arliang mamla kila menjur ban penklan ya kejinga te ha kaliang kayo kakot haringkat kejing temu ban penyar syuk ya ka Khayi Peteng bat benbu thong na kabenta kejinga trailang ha kalawai.
The speed and intent of both sides, Canada and India, is phenomenal when it comes to working together for the shared prosperity of the people of India, the people of Canada, providing business opportunities for both countries, and a very ambitious target going forward, where our Prime Ministers have tasked us not only with completing the free trade agreement with a comprehensive outlook before the end of this year or earlier, but
Mentang ini pai Syaki Kubar ya lekai. Kakunhun ya lekai football ki kenthai na India kala ya lekai bha bat kala penrem keput ya ka Maldives da khatway lanot ha ka jinge lekai sedang jong ka group B Halimpung SAFF Women's Championship kabala long Hamargao Goa ha ka jinge khun ka Aveka Singh kala yo thep saw goal kat ba ka Priyanka Norem bat ka Karishma kila yo ban thep mar ar goal shu ka Pyari Zaza Dang May Grace bat ka Sangeeta Basfor kila yo ban thep mar shigul ha ka jingele kai ka ban long ha ka singi ublay ka India kan se khun persha ya ka Bangladesh ka FIFA World Cup Trophy kalapoi ha Toronto kumshi benta jong ka Coca-Cola Trophy Tour ha shwaban sedang ya ka FIFA World Cup 2018 riu ya ka ne ka trophy lapli pajba ha Nathan Phillips Square ha ka jingedon lang jong coach ka Italy u Alessandro Nesta shu Menteri Rang Bado ka Canada Makani ula pediang buram ya ka ne ka trophy ha Ottawa kani ka tour ka penpau ya ka jing angnot ka banang yai kiu jong ki pajba kat ba ka Canada kadang penkre pan penlong lang ya ka jing ele kai FIFA World Cup 2018 riu mentapat ngin ya ka jing long jing man ka son bineng ha ka lenggi benta jong ka jela Hatura kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 5 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong henry punyo na kachespa but kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm haba pai pat hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong 9 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong henry punyo na kachespa but kajing hap slap kalong 1.1 mm Kadba hajo waipan kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haho kalong hinyo phuwei na kashespa but kajing hap slap kalong 4 mm kasun beneng kandum loo but kalaru bandan kajing hap slap hatura shalong but jawai Shaban poi shakabakut jong katuk kubo ngin ya pe biang sa isin yakimat pakongsan Pentikna ke MEECL baka jing penpoi boarding ha ke jela kan long kababyang penyeng thamai palat hajar teli transformer kni lenti baka boarding kan kambyang chu ha kan ikalior Maham ka sarkar ki arshaka ki bakamai bean pan jing penshai ki nong kamai rapido halor ka kendon kamai arshaka ha ke jela Minjur ka school ba nihu ya ka syllabus FYUP na ka benta ka 7th but 8th semester tentu ka nihu su bantau ya ki kendon na ka benta ki postgraduate. But Ai jingero Menteri Katnat Yadari Rajnath Singh halor ke jinglong nong yalam bakal arsnem jong Menteri Rang Badu Gari Narendra Modi. Di parlok atung ila poi syaka bukut jong ketuk kubwa jingi mata ke janbit hadu ngi de syam biam tpila syai kesi kublai pi parok.